Tingnan niyo po, nakataas. Nakataas ba? Yan. That is brotherhood. Kailangan yung grip po naka-angkla sa bawat isa. To remind that you are a brother or sister to me. By that grip, I am reminding you that we are not to support and be of support to one another. Part 2, step 2, friends to all people. Tama yan. Friends. We are friends. All of us are friends. Everyone, we are friendly people. Step 3, third one is love of God and country. Ganun tayo. Step 1, isigaw natin ang meaning.
Brotherhood.
Hindi ako masyadong mataas. Nung nakaraan ko, napunit yung barok ko sa kilikili. O may kuya. Step 1, masyadong itabi. Induction ko, nakagaling ako. By the power of... Step 1, brotherhood. Gusto ko pong marinig. Step 1,
Brotherhood.
Step 2,
Friends to all people.
o what? Ano daw? Step 2,
Friends to all people.
Step 3,
Love to our God and country.